This is Abhishek from AI with Abhishek, and today I'm going to tell you how you can change your hairstyle in any photo. So we have two free AI tools for this. The first one is called the AI hairstyle. This is the URL, and the second one is from AI is. This is also a hairstyle changer. We will analyze both of these tools and see how effective they are. You can see you have to first of all upload a photo in which your hairstyle is not that great. For example, I have this photo over here in which my hairstyle is not good. So I have uploaded this one. And then after over here, you have to select another image in which you have the hairstyle, which is probably good as per you. So this one is good. And I selected. You can upload anyone else photo as well. I'm just uploading it mine. And here you have to select the color of the hairstyle which you want. For example, I want the same color of my hairstyle which is there in this photo. So I've selected that. Now you just need to click on get haircut. And by the time this tool is working, let me go over there on the other tool. Here we have this button, try for free. Both of these tools are free. Here I will upload the same photo, which is this one. And I can select male from here. Then I can select different kind of hairstyle. This is probably a better and easier tool to use. You can also select hairstyle and the color of that hairstyle as well. And then click on generate. Let's see what happened here. So it has generated another photo, which I believe is not great because it has sort of modified my face to an extent. And this hairstyle still is looking not bad. I get an idea how this hairstyle will look on my face now. And I can download this photo like this. As you can see, the photo is downloaded. It is slightly blurred photo, I would say, for some reason. I don't know. Let's take a look what happened here. This tool is also free, but it takes some time. And let's see. Okay, this one is actually quite good because it has added the same hairstyle which I selected in a way which I really like. It looks better, definitely better than the image which I had earlier. In comparison, as you can see, this image is the original image and this is the produced image with the better hairstyle. I really like this one. And similarly, you can also fix your photos with a new hairstyle using this tool called AI hairstyle. The link for both of these tools is given in the description. You can check them out. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.